Every journey begins with what society throws away.
Before machines work, human eyes decide. Every cap is checked by hand.
The process moves forward, piece by piece. Hidden metals are silently removed.
Decades of dirt wash away. Old forms are broken completely.
Only the right size moves ahead. Prepared material waits its turn.
Heat becomes the language of transformation.
Solid memory turns into liquid possibility.
Precision replaces chaos.
Roundness is engineered, not accidental.
Controlled cooling locks in strength.
Imperfections fade with time.
Only the flawless remain.
Human judgment makes the final call.
Thousands move with perfect order.
Recycled glass finds new purpose.
Value returns to the market.
成品等待发货。
The journey continues outward. Waste becomes opportunity. And this is how waste glass is recycled into beautiful glass marbles.